right here. I'm not doing a gaming commentary right now. So look. There's even fire sirens going off. And my mother's recording right there. She works for the Weather Channel, like I said. I'm so scared, guys.
I don't work for the Weather Channel, Brian. I work for NOAA and the National Weather Service. I'm a certified Skywarn storm spotter and chaser. I also work for Kokoraz, and I work for the Frost weather station thing. Yeah.
Still counts as Weather Channel.
I have, well, Weather Channel. I only upload photos and videos.
Oh God. I'm really scared.
It's gonna be a pretty good one.
I'm really scared, Ma. Oh
I
shit.
wonder what that is. Is that fire, police, ambulance?
Fire is
Very close.
Probably fire.
God's mad.
He's like,
Everybody should think about that.
what?
Having really bad storms, maybe God's angry at the way everybody treats each other.
Love him.
Maybe. Yeah. Just to let you guys know, we are Catholic, right? Christian, not
That
Catholic.
was a beautiful shot.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Yeah. That was like amazing.
Ma, I love thunderstorms, but I'm kind of really scared now. I don't know. I've never seen one this bad before.
Not even here yet.
Where is it then?
About 10 miles away.
Still counts as near here. Think about it.
See how cold it's getting? It's getting really chilly. Temperature's dropping.
Whoa, Ma. Look at that cloud over there.
Huh? Wow. Nice cloud. Holy cow. I wonder if I can get that. I bet you I can.
I already got it. Someone's house probably caught on fire. Alright guys, so I'm going to end it here. Post in the comments about if you think this is really crazy. And you've never seen anything like it before. Subscribe, like, favorite. I asked my friend if he can make t-shirts for all the people that are subscribing to my channel. And maybe if you subscribe, watch my videos a lot, I will gladly send you a t-shirt. Not for my friend, he makes it. The cat's freaking terrified. Alright, so, bye.